Today I'm making a very traditional Kerala recipe, ghee rice pulao, or what is called Ney Choru. This is a very easy, flavorful pulao dish, and you can enjoy this with any vegetarian or non-vegetarian side dish of your choice. And I will give you a few options down in the description below, so please do check those out as well. My channel, all about easy to follow and easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each specific step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come, follow along and cook with me. So to make Ney Choru, typically the rice that is used is jeera kasala rice, and you can get that in Indian stores. However, if you don't have jeera kasala, you can also use basmati rice. So today I'm using basmati rice. Here I have taken 1.5 cups of basmati rice that I'm going to soak for about 30 minutes. If you're using the jeera kasala rice, then you don't need to soak that. So these are the ingredients that we are going to be using to garnish our Ney Choru. For that we need 4 tablespoons of ghee, half a cup of cashews, 1/3 cup of raisins, and 1 medium onion, about 150 grams, that I have sliced. I'm adding the ghee. Wait for the ghee to be heated up before adding the cashews. The ghee is now hot, so I will add the cashews, and we will fry the cashews for about 1 to 2 minutes till they start turning slightly golden. It's been 2 minutes and the cashews have started becoming golden. Now what we will do is we will add the raisins and fry the raisins with the cashews till the raisins become slightly plump, and then we will set this aside. So now, as you can see, the raisins have become plump. I'm going to just try to show you the texture. You can see here. So it took me another 2 minutes to fry the raisins to this texture. Now what we will do is we will set the cashews and the raisins aside. So go ahead and set all of these aside. In the same pan and the ghee, I'm going to add the sliced onions, and we will fry the sliced onions till they become light brown. The onions have now turned brown. Now I'm going to set this aside. To make the ghee rice pulao or the Ney Choru, we need all the whole spices: 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 bay leaf, 4 green cardamoms, 6 cloves, 1 black cardamom, 2 1-inch cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 1 medium onion sliced, about 150 grams, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, and some salt as per taste. In the same pan and in the leftover ghee, I'm going to add all the whole spices: the fennel seeds, bay leaf, green cardamom, cloves, black cardamom, cinnamon stick, and the star anise, and we will fry this for about 30 to 40 seconds till we get a nice aroma from the whole spices. So as you're frying the whole spices, in parallel start heating up 2.5 cups of water. So we are going to use the hot water when we cook our rice a little later in the process. I'm getting a really nice aroma from the whole spices. Now I will add the sliced onions, and we will fry the onions till they caramelize or turn light brown. The onions have now turned light brown, so I will add ginger paste, and we will fry this for another 3 to 4 minutes at a low to a medium low flame till we no longer get any raw smell of the ginger. It's been 3 minutes and I'm no longer getting any raw smell of the ginger. Now I will add the basmati rice. So I have drained the water, and like I said, if you're using the jeera kasala rice, then you don't need to soak it. You can just wash and add it directly. We will also add some salt as per taste. You can adjust the salt later as well. And now at a medium flame, very gently, we will stir the rice and fry this for 3 to 4 minutes, and make sure you don't stir it too much, because then the rice will end up breaking. I have fried the rice for about 4 minutes. Now I will add 2.5 cups of boiling water. So I was, like I said, to boil this on the side. And now what we will do, at a medium flame, we will cover this and let the rice cook. This will take between 5 to 8 minutes to get all the water absorbed in the rice and cook it well. And make sure you check in between, but do not stir the rice too much because it ends up breaking the rice. It's been about 8 minutes and our rice is completely cooked, and you can see how really nice and fluffy this is. So you can see this is all separate and really nice and fluffy. So our Ney Choru is now completely ready. Now what we will do is we will turn off the oven and cover this back with a lid and let this rest for another 5 minutes. It's been another 8 minutes and our Ney Choru is now completely ready. So at the end, let's go ahead and garnish this with our fried onions and the dried fruits. So I'm adding all of those just together here, and our Ney Choru is now ready. It's great to enjoy with any vegetarian or non-vegetarian side dish. I'll certainly give you some options in the description below, so please do check that out and let me know how this recipe turns out for you. And thank you so much for watching my channel.